Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 doesn't even last 5 minutes, you're likely facing a battery issue. This problem can occur due to battery wear over time or a malfunctioning component. If not repaired promptly, it can lead to further damage or even complete failure of the device, rendering it unusable. For this repair, you will need a T15 Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery specifically for the Dyson V10. To start, ensure your Dyson V10 is unplugged and turned off. Locate the 2 screws at the back of the vacuum, which secure the battery cover. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use your plastic spudger to pry the battery cover off. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any surrounding components. Now, you should see the battery itself. The issue typically lies within this component. Disconnect the battery by carefully pulling out the connector. You might need to wiggle it slightly to release it without damaging the wires. After you've removed the old battery, take your new replacement and connect it in the same way. Make sure it clicks into place securely. Reattach the battery cover by aligning it properly and pushing it down gently until it clicks. Now, take your T15 Torx screwdriver and replace the screws you previously removed, applying just enough force to secure them without over-tightening. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is securely in place, give your Dyson V10 a quick test to ensure it's functioning correctly. If it runs smoothly and maintains its charge, you've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this problem from occurring again, consider using your Dyson V10 on a lower power setting when possible, and ensure you regularly clean the filters to maintain optimal performance. Also, try not to leave the vacuum plugged in for extended periods when not in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.